What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to use turret on your car in Fortnite. All what you need to do, just smash this box. And you will see this blue square, come with your bicycle here and wait this to fill up. When you do that you will get turret on your car. How to use turret? Click Control on your keyboard. You need to switch your seat in car and use your turret. Once again, find box and smash box. Sit in your car and wait to fill this box. And that's it all guys, how to set turrets and how to modify your car. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and use my code in item shop UFO187. Bye guys.